Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Every day I used to start the video with what a fantastic market or what a volatile market. But today it is both fantastic as well as volatile market. Why volatile market? Because in the morning it was just trading within a small range. Nifty was trading within a range of about 50-60 points. Bank Nifty was trading within a range of about 100-120 points. But then, in the afternoon, a sudden shot up in banking stocks like ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank and State Bank. So the Bank Nifty has broken out and it has shot up nearly more than 500 points that nobody expected. Then, then in the last 1 hour, it shot up 500 points, then came down 200 points, again went up 200 points. So that's for volatile. The fantastic, for obvious reason, today Nifty went very, very close to 20,000. I think just 15 points short of 20,000. And then, of course, it's closed somewhere there only. So it closed somewhere near the high. And nobody expected Nifty to behave like this. Today, all sectoral indices ended in green except IT. Since morning, IT stocks came under pressure, especially Infosys. And there must be some reason for that. And now we know the reason. After the market hours, Infosys came out with results. The results are in line with expectation, but their guidance is very, very weak. Right now, the Infosys ADR is down more than 8% in US. Of course, here it is down about 2.5%. So even if you factor in that, it is still about 5.5 to 6% down. So tomorrow, we are likely to see a big gap down in Infosys. And Infosys is usually a highly volatile stock, especially after the results. At least nowadays is okay. I remember once upon a time, every quarter when they declare the results, either it shoots up 10-20% or crashes 10-20%. So definitely this is going to have some impact on Nifty. So Nifty may have to wait a little bit more time to touch 20,000. Right now, because of this 8% fall in Infosys in ADR and GIFT Nifty is already down by about 80-90 points. So 80-90 points, that too going close to the expiry, it's a big deal. But who knows, when Infosys comes down, other stocks may go up. So in order to compensate, and especially today, although ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank all went up, but HDFC Bank did not go up. So who knows, HDFC Bank may go up in order to compensate the loss by Infosys tomorrow. So that we will see tomorrow. So Nasdaq future is down slightly. That's because Netflix and Tesla results, they are not really very good. But however, the Dow future is slightly higher. So European markets are slightly in green and US markets are also is well, because S&P 500 is almost flat and Dow is slightly green and Nasdaq is slightly down. So tomorrow market is likely to consolidate with a negative bias. So we will see what is going to happen tomorrow. It will be another exciting day. But looking at the open interest, there was no unwinding in 20,000 call option. The people still believe that 20,000 it may not cross. But on the other side, they might be selling some put options to collect more premium as a buffer. So today they have sold 19,800 put option. So right now in the monthly options, 19,800 put option has the highest open interest. So they do this just to compensate the loss on the call side. So by looking at this, the range looks like 19,700 to 20,100. for the rest of the series. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow. But today FIIs have bought for huge amount. And how much they have bought? More than 3,000 crores, 3,400 crores nearly. However, the domestic institutions did not sell much. They sold only about 200 crore. So with this, FIIs have already bought for nearly 20,000 crores in this series alone. And Nifty, usually maximum Nifty goes higher by 800 to 900 points. I'm talking about the last 1 or 2 years. Just forget about the post Lehman Brothers shoot up or post coronavirus shoot up. But after that, the maximum Nifty has gone only about 800 to 900 points. But in July, Nifty is up nearly 1,000 points. And this is a fantastic rally considering that the previous 3 months, Nifty has already rallied 2,200 points. So now from 16,800 to all the way to 20,000. That's almost 3,200 points in just a matter of 4 months. The most bullish market in the world in this quarter. So anyway, we will see tomorrow for the rest of the things. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.